Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to enroll to free chemistry courses online in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to, enroll into free chemistry courses online? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, we are back to old reliable openculture.com. And as you can see, just go to openculture.com. You don't need to sign in or register for anything. Although there are some courses because there are different types of mediums. So as you can see here, you have free video, you have free iTunes or iOS courses, you have free online course, free online video, and so on and so forth. So some of these are going to be in iTunes, which you need an Apple device, an iPhone or iPad or whatever. And as you can see, there's a lot here. And the good thing about Open Culture is all of the courses are legit. It's from the top schools, top universities and colleges across the world, Ivy League schools in the US, and equally quality education from around the world. So as you can see here, from Duke, from MIT, from Cambridge, from Yale, Missouri State, Ohio State, MIT, University of New Orleans, UC Irvine, University of Illinois, MIT. So there's a lot, right? And as you can see here, there are multitudes of different courses. You have Biochemistry 1, you have Core Concepts in Chemistry, you have Cosmic or Origin of the Chemical Elements, you have Crystallography, you have Freshman Organic Chemistry, you have Freshman Organic Chemistry 2. So those go hand in hand. You have Fundamentals of Chemistry, you have General Chemistry, you have Introduction to Chemical Engineering, you have Introduction to Green Chemistry, Introduction to Quantum Chemistry, Introduction to Solid State Chemistry. There are two of these, so I guess I go ahead and hand two. You have Introduction to Quantum Chemistry again, Introductory Quantum Chemistry, Life, Universe, and Everything, Chemistry of Our Daily Lives, Lights, Camera, Action, the Chemistry of Movies and TV, Organic Chemistry, from two same university, but two different professors, Organic Chemistry 1, Organic Chemistry 2, from University of New Orleans, Organic Reactions and Pharmaceuticals, Organic Spectroscopy, Physical Chemistry 1, Physical Chemistry 2, and Principle of Chemical Science. So if you are interested in any of these, you just need to click on, for example, Biochemistry 1, click on free video, open a new tab. And as you can see, it's in the nptel.ac.in page. The course abstract is going to be here. You can see the course duration. So this is pretty new. This is a pretty new course. Downloads, you're going to see assignments here, and you're going to see transcripts, right? And then TA list. So these are the professors, statistics, toppers list, certificate type, syllabus. Click a new one, and it's going to open a new syllabus. So again, these are free, and these are certification courses. But if you're not going to go for the paid one, you're not going to get certified. If you want to get certified, you feel like you're liking the course, then you're going to need to pay for it, and it's very well worth it in my opinion. And that's like free download, free iTunes course. You need iTunes for this. I can't click it because I don't have iTunes. So like if I do this, connect to iTunes store. So yeah. Free online video. Most of the time, this is on YouTube, as you can see. And it's an entire program with how many? 38 videos, right? And there's description here, and it's from the Yale courses, the YouTube channel Yale courses. If you click on this, you're gonna see it has 1.35 million subs. So you can just get it for free. You can learn for free, right? Another one would be, it's usually video and audio, so there's no MOOCs here. As you can see here in another course, so this is the this is a business course, and as you can see, there is something called a massive open online course. you don't have here in the chemistry course here on Open Culture. It's all video and online iTunes, uh, free iTunes. So for Apple users, you're in luck. If you want to learn chemistry, different types of courses about chemistry, you can do it. So that's Open Culture. And the other source that we can get, which is a bit more modern, the website I mean, is allison.com. So free online chemistry courses, explore all manner of matter by enrolling in our free online chemistry courses. Since earliest times, people have been fascinated by chemical reactions, so on and so forth. And as you can see, feature chemistry courses, intermediate chemistry, periodicity in periodic table. So if you click on chemistry here, is it going to be in the same thing? I think it is. Let's wait for it to load. Yes, so it is. So like if you click on see all chemistry courses, you're going to see these ones. As you can see, hydrogen sulfide, awareness, water treatment and purification, galvanic coupling and corrosion rate in active metals. So there are different types of courses here, and these are free. So, but you can opt to pay for it too. So if you click on a course, right, click on begin now, or click on more information if you want. So you're gonna see the course here. You're gonna see in this free course you will learn. You're gonna see what you're gonna learn. Shows you how long it's gonna take. It's accreditation. It also has free assessment, final assessment. Um, so you're also going to show the modules, course description, right, and the Allison certification. There you go. And you're gonna they also show you the skills you will learn, knowledge and skills, health and safety, chemistry, first aid, health, air pollution, STEM, industrial engineering. So you also have different um, like reviews for people. So yeah, different courses, right? And again, Allison has over 4,000 free courses, 30 million members, 6 million plus graduates, and 195 countries. So that's pretty much the free courses that are legit, in my opinion. They're well worth it. You will learn something. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.